Here's how to fix power button or side button is not working on iPhone. So if you want to fix the power button not working, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up the settings on your phone, then scroll down to general, tap on the general, then scroll all the way down, then tap on shut down. Just tap on it. Then this is a quick and easy way for you to be able to shut down your phone by just start it again. Then the power button or the side button should be working, and if still not working, then just go back again, then tap on tap on general again, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset. This time around your phone will reset itself back to the normal default setting without you losing all your most important information you have on your phone, like your pictures, your videos, and a couple other things like that. And that if that didn't work again, you just have to go back to your system update, your software update, and check if there's available update for your iPhone. Then that would definitely help you to solve some glitch on your device. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.